still rising. Tide's rising. Falling. What? Yeah. Ooh, I got one too. Yeah.
It don't play, does it?
Not really.
Whoever gets there should vote first. I'll get you that, don't worry about it. You're actually in closer than I am. Yeah, you are.
Am I?
You're coming up. I see you coming up.
Am I in your line?
No, not yet. Keep it coming.
Oh my God.
Okay.
He didn't, so you put him in there.
There's got the size to me.
Mine's the same size. You keeping that one? You keeping that one?
That's a nice one there.
It's a big one. I mean, he's...
That's a nice one.
You want to throw him back?
No, I mean, that's good size.
Okay.
And it's not one of them trophy ones that you need to throw back. You know, when they start getting real big, like 24 inches and such, yeah, those are the ones you throw back. Hey, you look pretty good, bud.
I did mine too. So I got nice looking
Nice little
fish.
size fish there. And one for me.
That is a big one. Yeah, he's a little bigger and too big one. I'll try to.
Try to net him. Remember, lead into the net head first. Get the net in front of him. There you go. Good job.
You wore him out.
Man, he brought a lot bigger than that.
Yeah.
I guess it's the way that current's running through that deep hole in there that
Gotta look at the mouth on him.
he wasn't hooked up all that great neither.
4. They got as many as we had yesterday. Okay.
Hold it straight. Nothing to see here, folks. Just a damn oyster rock. Just a little snag. Yep. Just a little snag. Nothing
Ew.
here. Nothing to see. Keep it going. Don't look back.
He was looking at his wake.
Here. He's coming up. Net. Give me the net.
Give you the net?
Yep. Hold on. Watch it. Boat weight.
I'm fine with the boat
I
weight.
know he was looking back to make sure he had the right size weight for it. He was making sure he
Making sure he was going to
making
sink
sure he
you.
was throwing that summit just as big as he could. That's what they do.
Oh, that's
See,
perfect.
that
That's
fell out.
frying size.
See that? It
Yeah.
fell off.
That's heads off cut and frying size.
That's perfect for that. Yes, sir.
3 to 2.
3 to 2.
I've lost.
You ain't lost yet. The day ain't over. There's still daylight.
Look, he's got 2 teeth.
It's
Mine
a
only have
male.
one.
It's a male.
I know.
Listen. Hear him croak?
Nah.
Put your hand on him.
I can, I know they croak. I had to get my camera ready. Huh? I have no idea what it is. It's not real big. No. It's a little trout.
Oh, that's a cute size, isn't it?
Look, a trout and a butt. Look at that baby. Greta did it again. 3 to 3. That's pan size.
Yes, sir. You want her, baby?
And that loon saying she got my fish.
I've seen loons come up with a trout this size in their mouth and swallow them whole.
Come on, we got them back.
Are you kidding
No!
me?
Two fish!
It's that time of day at sunset. This is when they crank up. Changing light makes them feed.
Damn.
Yep.
This one's vegan.
So is mine.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I got a real big one on mine.
Oh, wow. Mine's one of the drags.
Oh.
Let's go turn the broadside.
Okay.
Get us out of off the hole so we don't want to drag these fish over the top of the hole and scare the other ones that are in here.
Jeez, I got a monster.
You got there a damn shark. You might have about a 4 pounder. Oh, God, don't you hate that? That is the most awful feeling in the world. There's a trout like that.
Son of a
terrible.
bitch. Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. That was a big one.
I know it was. Here it comes. Oh, yeah. Here you come, baby. Here you come. Here you come.
It's another pan size, isn't it? Through the hook.
Look at it. Come right off the hook, too. See that?
Yep.
That's what yours did.
Yep. Put him in that cooler and let's get us back up there. Thank you.
Running out of there.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to thank you for cruising aboard Aluma-Jet patrol boats today. Feel free to keep us in mind anytime you'd like to do some fishing, oystering, patrol boat riding, and of course, poacher catching.
You give Dan a call.
Believe that.
There's Johnny's boat.
Hey.
There's the dock with no cats on it. That's a pitiful dock. It needed a home. It's like them cats. It was needing a home. Hey.
I'll crab us up to it.
And we have arrived